couple tries last night, but no success. So, are you gonna add your picture to the wall over here?
Maybe.
He's gonna give up, you think? How about you guys? You gonna do it? You're not sure. You have confidence? Anyways, guys, this is the Goliath burger. The burger is 2.2 kilos. 2.2 kilos. And on top of that, he's got to finish his French fries and a Coke. If he can do that in 60 minutes or less, it's free. There's no charge. It's free. He'll get a t-shirt that says, "I conquered the Goliath." And his picture will go on the Goliath Wall of Fame right next to our other winner that did that back on October 2nd. So we're going to give him 60 minutes. We're going to time him. We'll check back on about 15 minutes and see how he's doing. So,
Hello? 15 minutes?
Did you think it was going to be that big?
Yeah, I think
60 minutes. 60?
1 hour. 1 hour. What do you think? Can you do it in 1 hour?
Start now.